Welcome to Sushi Out Vtubing.
What got you into VTubing?
What got me into VTubing actually was one of my friends that I knew started up doing VTubing about a while ago, and they had recommended it to me. Now at the time, I have been streaming since 2012, back in the old days of Justin TV before it became Twitch. So I kind of remember what streaming was about. But then I took a break in 2015, and then I decided to come back in 2018. And I was still having issues because of the way I looked. And I get that people are like, oh, well, you're usually a VTuber, you're gonna be fugly or something. Yeah, but it's it's not that type of fugly. It's people kind of just judge me weirdly, and I'm not for that. So I started using the VTuber, and a lot more people started to